Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today myself, Sanila Munshi, is going to explain you our lesson number 5, Prabhat Varnanam of Standard 8. Related to this chapter, some of the meanings I have written on the board. See over here. First one, Paritaha, in all direction. Shamiraha, that means wind. Madhupaha, wasp or hornet, जो सुबह इंसेक्ट्स दिखाई देते हैं ना मॉर्निंग में, दैट आर. सधीरह, पेशेंस. तंद्रा, स्लीपीनेस. भग्ना, ब्रोकन. हाशः, स्माइल. रवः, दैट मीन्स नॉइज. खगः, बर्ड. लग्ना, is busy. Vitape, on the branch. Gavaha, cows. Pathi, on the way. Here our meanings are over. Now the name of the chapter is Prabhat Varnanam. Prabhat Varnanam, that means description of the morning. मतलब कि सुबह के समय पे कैसा एटमॉस्फेयर होता है, वो सब चीजें इस चैप्टर में बताई गई है. We all know that every morning brings a new message with us. As soon as it is morning, it seems as each element of the nature shakes off its laziness and sits up with a fresh air, as if new life has been breathed into it. Birds fly about, every man, women also discards sleep and inertia and gets involved in his or her work. Such a beautiful morning has been started. We all know that every morning brings a new enthusiasm. So here is the chapter. चंद्रः अस्तम गच्छति. We all know that जैसे सुबह होती है तो मून है वो सेट हो जाता है और सन राइज हो जाता है. सो चंद्रः अस्तम गच्छति, द मून सेट्स. सूर्यः उदयं गच्छति, द सन राइजेस. परितो भवति प्रकाशः, लाइट स्प्रेड्स इन ऑल डायरेक्शन. सनलाइट होते चारे बाजू लाइट हो जाती है. मंदम चलति शमीरः, द ब्रीज ब्लोज लाइटली, और धीमी धीमी पवन शुरू हो जाती है. मधुपो भवति शरीरः, द वास्ट गेन पेशेंस. कलिका वृंदम विकसति, लतिका वृंदम विलसति. निद्रा तंद्रा भग्ना, जनता कर्मणि लग्ना. शकले नव उल्लासः, वदने वदने हासः. कलिका वृंदम विकसति, द बंच ऑफ बर्ड्स ब्लूम्स, मतलब हर एक फ्लावर की जो कलियां हैं वो खिल जाती है. लतिका वृंदम विलसति, द ग्रुप ऑफ क्रीपर्स लुक्स नाइस. क्रीपर से वो नाइस दिखाई देती है, सनलाइट उसे पड़ते एकदम लाइट वाली हो जाती है. निद्रा तंद्रा भग्ना, स्लीप एंड इनर्शिया आर ब्रोकन, हर एक की नींद उड़ जाती है सुबह होते ही. जनता कर्मणि लग्ना, the people have become busy with their jobs. शकले नव उल्लासः, वदने वदने हासः. सकले नव उल्लासः means there is a new enthusiasm everywhere, and वदने वदने हासः, there is laughter on every face. हर एक फेस पे नई स्माइल दिखाई देती है. पथि पथि जन सच्चारः, नुपुररौ जनकारः. विपटे खगकुलरवः, चलितु चलिता गावः. पथि पथि जन सच्चारः, पीपल आर मूविंग अबाउट एवरीवेयर, हर बाजू लोग दिखाई देते हैं. नुपुररौ जनकारः, द टिंकलिंग ऑफ ब्लैंकेट इज हर्ड, स्पेशली इन विलेजेस. जब विलेज में जाते हैं तो लेडीज पानी भरने के लिए जब जाती है तो उनके पैरों की पायल की आवाज आती है. नुपुररौ जनकारः. विपटे खगकुलरवः, on every branch of a tree chirping of bird is heard. Chirping of bird is heard. Charitu Chalita Gavaha. The cows have gone for grazing. गायें घास खाने के लिए जाती हुई दिखाई देती है। हस्ते हस्ते पत्रम वदने वदने स्तोत्रम खेलती बालक वृंदम गीतम गायम गायम। हस्ते हस्ते पत्रम मतलब डिवोटीज जो है, संत महात्मा है, साधु संत है या पुजारी है, वो सुबह सुबह प्रेयर करते, प्रार्थना करते, उसके लिए है। हस्ते हस्ते पत्रम, देयर इज अ लीफ फ्लावर इन एवरी डिवोटीज हैंड। वदने वदने स्तोत्रम, there is a praise of God in every devotee's mouth. Khelati balak vrindam, geetam gayam gayam. Children are continuously playing and they are singing also. Whenever they are playing, on that time they are singing also. This poem or these verses are written by Vasudev Trivedi Shastri. So I hope all of you understand this chapter properly. Now our next chapter, the name of the next chapter is Ramaniya Nagari. Ramaniya Nagari, chapter number 6. Ramaniya Nagari. It is about our capital Gandhinagar. Different places are there in Gandhinagar. So which are worth to share. So in this chapter, we have to know about our capital Gandhinagar. See, related to this chapter, some of the meanings are written on the board. Idam, that means this. Bahuni, many. Ashmin means in this. Brusham, brusham means a lot of. Darshayati, shows or is showing. Nivashanti, lives. Kulana, of families, dynasties. Drashtum, to see. Nati dure, not far. Khyatam, that means famous. Now the chapter is something like this. Ramaniya Nagari, a beautiful city. Ramaniya Nagari, a beautiful city. It is Gandhinagar. Related to Gandhinagar, some of the points only we got over here. So that are like this. Gandhinagaram Gujarat Rajyasya Rajdhani Asti. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Idam Sundaram Suyojitam Cha Nagaram Asti. It is a beautiful and well planned city. We all know, जिसने देखा होगा उसे पता होगा गांधीनगर के बारे में, एकदम ब्यूटीफुल सिटी है और वेल प्लान्ड सिटी, मतलब कहीं पे भी आपको गीच नहीं दिखाई देगा, बहुत मस्त सिटी है. Once you have to visit this city. आगे अत्र बहूनि दर्शनीयानि स्थानानि सन्ति. There are many places worth to see here. Example are सचिवालय, महात्मा मंदिरम, अक्षरधाम मंदिरम एवं इंद्रोड़ा पक्षी उद्यानम. द सचिवालय, द महात्मा टेम्पल, द अक्षरधाम टेम्पल and the Indroda bird sanctuary is also here in Gandhinagar. Idam Sachivalaya Bhavanam Asti. This is Sachivalaya building. When you will see the textbook, in this textbook, first picture you can see it is of Sachivalaya. Idam Sachivalayam Asti. This is the Sachivalaya building because it is picture given in the textbook. Ashmin Bhavane Vidhan Sabhayaha Adhiveshanani Bhavanti. Political meeting of Vidhan Sabha are held here. That means in Sachivalaya, political meeting also held. Now, Ashmine Bhavane Sthitva Rajyasya Mantriणः Sachivaः अन्ये च अधिकारिणः राज्यकार्यः सच्चालयन्ति. The minister, executive officers and other officers sit in this building itself and run the working of the state. मतलब हमारे स्टेट का सारा वर्किंग, सारा काम यहीं से होता है और जो मेन जो हेड्स जो सब है वो यहीं पे बैठते हैं और हमारा स्टेट पूरा चलाते हैं, रन करते हैं। सचिवालयः एवं गुर्जर प्रदेशः शासनस्य मुख्य कार्यालयः अस्ति। The Sachivalaya is the main office of the ruling of Gujarat state. Now, next picture it is about Mahatma Gandhi temple. Mahatma Gandhi temple. अस्माकं राष्ट्रपितुः श्री गांधी महोदयस्य स्मृति रूपेण एतस्य मंदिरस्य निर्माणम् अभवत्। मतलब उनकी याद में, महात्मा गांधी की याद में गांधीनगर में महात्मा टेम्पल बनाया गया है। The temple has been constructed as a memorial to our great father of the nation. यत् महात्मा मंदिर नाम्ना प्रसिद्धम् अस्ति। Mahatma, it is known as by the name of the Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Mandira, Mahatma Gandhi महोदयः भारतस्य स्वतन्त्रतायाः कृते भृशं प्रयत्नम् अकरोत्। Mahatma Gandhi had made a lot of efforts for our independence. मतलब हमें हम सबको पता है कि महात्मा गांधी ने भारत को आजाद करने के लिए कितनी मेहनत की थी। इसके लिए उनकी याद में ये मंदिर बनाया गया है। एतानि सर्वाणि कार्याणि चित्ररूपेण अत्र प्रदर्शनार्थ प्रस्तुतानि सन्ति। All these deeds, मतलब उन्होंने जो जो काम किए हैं, all these deeds have been presented here in the form of picture. मतलब हर एक चीज के पिक्चर दिए गए हैं यहाँ पे। Now next picture on the page number 21. Next picture it is about Akshardham temple. The Akshardham temple. One of the Akshardham temple is here also in Junagadh, but it is this Akshardham temple. It is in Gandhinagar and it is very beautiful. Many different things are there in this temple also. Now here it is. एतत् अक्षरधाम नामक विशालं मंदिरम् अस्ति। This is the huge temple named Akshardham here. मंदिरे प्रदर्शन विभागः अतीव मनोहरः. The exhibition section of this temple is very beautiful. प्रदर्शन विभागे जनाः एकं चलचित्रम् अपि पश्यन्ति. The exhibition section, a movie is also shown in the exhibition section. प्रदर्शन विभागे जनाः एकं चलचित्रम् अपि पश्यन्ति. अध्यात्म विज्ञानयोः संगमः अत्र दृश्यते. A confluence of religion and science is seen here. अत्र चित्ताकर्षक आकर्षकं विशालम् उद्यानम् अपि अस्ति. There is also a huge garden that attracts the mind. प्रतिदिनम् every day बहवः यात्रिकाः many tourists एतस्य मन्दिरस्य दर्शनार्थम् आगच्छति. Every day many tourists come to see the temple. Many tourists, we all know that many tourists are coming in the Gujarat also. So this Gandhinagar is also a place which is very beautiful for seeing. Now next paragraph, one picture of dinosaur is given in here. It is about Indroda Bird Sanctuary. It is about Indroda Bird Sanctuary. So here it is. गांधीनगरस्य समीपे एव विशालम् इंद्रोडा पक्षी उद्यानम् अस्ति. एतस्मिन् स्थाने खगाः प्राणिनः च निज पर्यावरणे एव निवसन्ति. Near Gandhinagar is the Indroda Bird Sanctuary. Birds and animals live in their own environment. Own environment मतलब एनिमल्स को जैसा एटमॉस्फेयर पसंद है, इस तरह का एटमॉस्फेयर पूरा यहाँ पे बनाया गया है इंद्रोडा बर्ड सेंचुरी में. सो एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स कैन लिव ऑन देयर ओन. अपनी तरह से घूम फिर सकते हैं. डायनोसोर नाम्न प्राचीन महाकाय प्राणिनः विशेष विभागः अस्ति. There is a special section of dinosaurs, the ancient huge body animal. एषः विभागः बालानां कृते अतीव आकर्षकः मनोरञ्जकः च अस्ति. This section is very attractive and entertaining for the children. अत्र एकं सर्पगृहम् अस्ति. Here is a snake house also. विविधकुलानां सर्पान् अत्र द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः. We can see snake of various families here. Now the last paragraph, also you can see one picture over here. महात्मा गांधी मंदिरतः नातिदूरे एव विद्याभवन नाम विशालं भवनम् अस्ति. There is a huge building named Vidya Bhavan, not very far away from the Gandhi temple. तत एव भवनं GCERT रूपेण ख्यातम् अस्ति. This same building is also famous as GCERT. विद्याभवने GCERT नाम परिषदः कार्यालयः अस्ति. The office of the GCERT committee is in विद्यालय. इयं परिषद अस्माकं प्राथमिक शिक्षण क्षेत्रे परिवर्तनार्थ सततं प्रवृत्ता अस्ति. This committee is continuously working for change in our primary education. मतलब उसका काम क्या है कि प्राइमरी एजुकेशन में जो चेंजेस करने हैं वो GCERT का काम है. Now the last paragraph is गांधीनगरे विशालः स्वच्छ मार्गाः वर्तते. There are huge and clean roads in Gandhinagar. एतस्मिन् नगरे बहूनि रमणीयानि उद्यानानि सन्ति. There are many beautiful gardens in this city. नगरे बहवः पादपाः सन्ति. तेन कारणेन इदं नगरं विश्वस्य हरितनगरं रूपेण अपि प्रसिद्धम्. There are many trees in the city. Because of this city is also famous as the world greenest city. I hope all of you understand this chapter properly. So now these two chapters you have to do proper at your home. So thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye students.